movable asset acquisition. Look, in this area, one needs to critically apply his or her mind on the question of which specific trucks, trailers, yellow machines, drones, trains, aeroplanes, and ships to acquire. Lucrative and longevity of the contracts must be good pointers towards rational choices of which specific movable assets to acquire. Other factors to consider when buying your movable assets are: A, which brand to get. It can be specified by the contracting company. B, make, year model, kilometers, suspension, and horsepower. C, service history in case of good used trucks. D, cost of maintenance. E, special enabling loading and offloading attachments. F, space availability and service cost. G, problematic areas. These are the main things you have to put your mind on when acquiring your movable assets.